Back to the Power Up series. This is Ali from MediaWeb, and today we're gonna solve some like projects on the lists part, and we're gonna make it fun. Okay, let's just state a rule for this video, for today's video. Let's say Python lists lists equal fun and only fun. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to start with a list called the favorites list. We can say just favorites equal open list. I want to make it an empty list. Okay, then I'm going to append your favorite things to this list. How? Let's start. I'm gonna say favorites dot append. Do you remember the append we used in the last video? Yeah, that's it. Favorites dot append open bracket input. I'm gonna take the input and append it to the favorite list, and inside this input I'm gonna open bracket, open double quotation, and say enter your favorite food. Yeah, that's it. Enter your favorite food. Then I'm gonna ask you to enter your favorite color. Is okay, but I want something else. Animal also is okay. What are all those suggestions? Movie is okay. I wanted to write game. I really wanted to write game. So, okay, let's write song. I hope that he writes game this time. Favorites dot append. I'm not gonna write the suggestion. Input. Open bracket. Open double quotation. Enter your favorite game. That's it. Okay, then I can print your favorite list. So let's see. When I run the code, enter your favorite food. We can say lasagna. Okay. Enter your favorite color. Let's say cyan. Enter your favorite animal. Let's say Caucasian shepherd dog. Enter your favorite movie. You know, I only watch silly movies, but I love John Wick. It's not a silly movie. It's the only movie that I like watching every couple of months. Enter your favorite song. Ah, that's a tricky one. That's a really tricky one. I don't know. Let's say what's the favorite song? Let me check my Spotify. I really don't remember like my favorite song. What is my favorite song? I don't know. I don't really like have a lot of songs that I like to listen to a lot or anything. So let's say um I really don't know. Can I say my favorite artist, or is it supposed to be my favorite song? Okay. You know what? Let's say anything. Let's say uh like Shape of You. I really don't know. It's for Ed Sheeran, I believe. I hope I wrote his name right. Enter your favorite game. That's an easy one, but I really don't have a favorite game. But on my PlayStation, my favorite one so far is FIFA 26. It's an amazing game, by the way. So we print the favorites: Lasagna, Cyan, Caucasian Shepherd, John Wick, Shape of You, Ed Sheeran, FIFA 26, and so on. Okay, if I want to print a specific item in this list, I'm gonna mention the item and this will be it. So that's it for this part. Let's go ahead and see another project. We can write lists plus random module equal funny game. Let's see this funny game. I can import random module. Okay, it will keep giving us a suggestion here because the importing should be at the beginning of the code. Let's put it at the beginning. Control V. Okay, then we can start names, which is a list, equal. Let's write some names. Jenny, okay. Let's write Jared, Jasmine. They all start with the J, but that's fine. That's okay. We can print random choice names. That's fine also. So he's gonna choose a random name every time. He's gonna like use the choice function to choose something random every session, every cycle. Okay, every code session, and we're gonna print it. So when I run the code, we need to comment all of this code. Control slash, stop the code, run it again. It's gonna be James, Jenny, Jack, Joan, Jane. Oh, they're all really start with the J. Joan, Jared, Jane, Jasmine. Okay, and so on. Hey, we can say all the names, and that's it. So lists can be combined with anything, with functions, with loops, with modules. They can really create funny projects. Okay, and if you need to do more projects, just let me know in the comments so we can do more great things in the future videos, and we will have more problem solving videos in the future. Feel free and keep up with the channel, subscribe, and see you in the next one.